go for married man. So that one carry, you know, say go there and see they do for people matter well. So you know, say me no small when go and want do for people matter for my matter. Me and go and know the play that kind play. You never want them make I see the respect. No, be not there. You never want them to pay for my matter. Go and I never say because they insult me. They get me. That is why she said I know physical open camera because they insult her for my own page. So all those things. So you know, no say God, I know they, you know, they do and reach where me they, you know, people when they follow do those things.
Yeah.
So because me no carry matter go meet Goria. Me no carry go Mommy Grace platform. Now I come say okay. I no come carry and go. I come relax. I me know the family I carry and go because they know me not small for the teacher. Me know me take day. But after say she the first thing I she be my mama. Me need to step down. I need to call the because now my mom me the corner. Now my grandmother me the corner. So me need to respect and calm down, follow and no man. So they do and grandmother go daughter. I come keep quiet, I not come talk. So after everything now, I not follow the talk. I not come build the matter, come live video again. I come rest. I don't repair my phone. Pressure don't they do like mumu. Me do this sense, the nonsense. They will go the talk for call. I not go join. They go talk finish. Pressure call coming. Go call you send. The way they talk, I'll call the observe. I be the get to the talk. When pressures call coming, one come confirm something. Me now as a smart person. Me sabi social media. Me dey inside social media. So me will continue how to give that girl my old goes back. So if I don't give her finish, I'll call leave her. So when I come say this thing don't go well, if I don't quit on for this precious, this thing will bring problem between all of us. We'll come to saga. Now I tell Precious, say, please, I don't want to be your friend. I will still send the record, give Joy. Now I tell Poshua. Say no Precious to reply me. My record as a normal human being. The constant I give Queen Love. Queen Love don't plan finish. She call the time me say Precious stop my mate. Ask for that Precious they feed me. When she do birthday, Precious not fit do 50,000 transfer give her. But I do 50,000 transfer give this idiot. When they tell me so that Precious and my mate. And why we send Precious 20 to 50 euro. May tell me buy gift. May gift her because he say get appointed they buy gift. You go even cheap. A lot of better gift. You will give this idiot. I not gonna wait happen. I not gonna transfer for this phone. I forget IBAN. The phone does spoil. I not come do the transfer give her again. May tell me buy the gift. Say for the same like back to here. I not gonna do the transfer give her again. So I can't let do the transfer give the mama for a birthday. For your birthday, I did with this mama. I can't tell her say I can't tell Precious. I know like the mama drop me for a birthday. You still want people for everybody when they up. Not drop Jenny. You not drop a CEO. You not drop another person and me because you want to take off. He say now because he be your daughter. Now why you not drop you? You not be a friend. You not understand that. Okay, now me can't date to understand. Me when you yes, since there's one nice everywhere good. No wahala. It be like say this girl go tell her everything. Tell her say I the verse and say she drop me. Cause that day night tell Precious say I no go cool up live video again. Cause me not the like disrespect. If not so she dey behave cause she go just use it direct show you so cause. And a person say if you don't see new people, you go forget the old ones. If you don't see new people, you go forget the old ones. Now her lifestyle be that one. So now I go say okay, no wahala. She don't be like that. Me do be cool. Now I got it as I don't want to make friend with this woman again. One of my life. So it be like say he go tell the woman those stuff. I don't know. The woman cause they carry my Bible, the verse for me or something. Now I tell relax. So which one of the places okay? If you cannot listen, you move ahead. Now I can't tell relax. I not talk anything. I can't leave them. After I put the sorry request, Precious okay. I just said that is already Germany. Now they tell. Sorry, mama. I never see you.
Now me, he say Queen, they serve me. May you first explain first, make I talk with you and
she never talk okay. So okay, now everything got happen. No, now so I got to relax for the matter. I not talk anything. After I don't repair my phone, I not talk. I can't live there. I can't do on my own. So she call in the live video. She can't call me. Me not come pick call. No, she not call me. She can't send me voice record after 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Like say Precious not finish. She can't tell me say, "Mimi, I beg." You know, you can't send me the voice record. Say, "Me call of first house. I don't hear you now."
Even including you where you did right, I make you enter house. If
I don't block her. So now I can say okay, no wahala. Mama can send me voice. So the record say for me say, "Make me enter house." Say me, you know, fit off for you can't send me the record say, Vic, you see the live video, right? This saga update try and send for you, Europe Gist, not Europe Gist, general saga update. Now I post the video when she share give me. See the way they take the post your video don't go viral, they don't post you for everywhere. You straight I call the term and see all this thing now. I too big for all these things. I don't fit off for 2 minutes voice record. I'm too big. My platform is too big for that. And now you first tell me before when I send this record, say the record was okay. Say you only need the picture. You understand? Some other woman they when say born for a we you carry the woman can no know that one. when say get baby boy for you, we. So how come now me don't go to my phone, come back, and I never even tell you say I don't see picture or not. You just attack me the way they attack me. So this matter na mama matter, this voice record now, na 2 minutes voice record. Now it's okay, everywhere good. I know your phone and talk, I write and say, okay, thank you, ma. She be this I call the send a voice record, mama, why you talk like that? And you felt I know your follow hard you. I just rest, I just go sleep. As they just break. Now I say this saga, I'm going to do it by myself. I want to take care of myself. After I don't come Mama Grace can say okay, everywhere good. Later Mama Grace go live video, come they show me, show direct for all those two-faced people. Two-faced people now see na like person now they pretend, which is now Queen they thought so. Because they insult me like that. So the way they talk and Queen will not say na she they thought so. All of us will know our problem. So me call the writer for WhatsApp because me they wash am fake account for FIP. I did the wash am. I call the writer for WhatsApp and as I the wash I dey hear what she dey talk. I dey chat her. I say Alpha Mama, I better not talk about this now. Not now. Make this matter fair come up for ground because Egwe saga dey ground. I never even come answer Egwe. And the Topolo now they tell me say me not come answer. They go come for me with full speed. You understand so? I mean, normally, not be say me the favorite Topolo. They say no me. Only no. Normally, me not get saga with anybody for the app. Give me the Topolo with the greet. No, they curse anybody again. Now, unless sometimes if you just think time and they know me like that, I will see trauma give the code. They offend me. Finish. Not be say maybe I just come the saga and call. I never they like even quit the trauma they give Topolo when they inside. Maybe the rest of the cruise. Show you the get so. Finish. So now cause no me not there for this one. Wait till cause somebody I call the as anywhere good. Not today they chop the saga. Anyone saga me, but me just to let them know say because the way call they go for TikTok. God bless say me they lie. No to me they talk. They want they rap me say me they craze. Just to let them know say I know they lie. I will come my whole life to come talk everything because the cool one spoil everything from my hand. Grace now when me call report everything give us a elderly woman. Me not send her the voice record. The record where Queen of Test for me say why me carry the matter go Grace platform. The matter they large for Grace platform. Me don't obviously go talk small for my platform. So nothing to talk again. Nobody will listen again. Now that record now me play for Grace for phone though. If you comment that comment again, I go block you. Go comment for Grace platform or anywhere you want for comment. No comment for yet. Me have to probably never get you for the now until they come for me. I know I come for me again. So you understand me, Mama?
Yes, I understand you.
Now cause okay. I come to when the Grace come they show where they give. Thank you for your understanding. When the Grace come they show where they give Queen Love, the thing not come go well with me. I come they beg and say, no. Mama, best stop. So that make Queen Love not feel say I get what I go tell you. So now so everything can't happen. That's I don't understand. Me, I not carry anybody. I can't say okay, no, I can't end the live video. I still respect the woman. Oh, I can't end the live video. I can't come on. I not talk. I can't rest. We can't go WhatsApp cause she can't they blame me. They quarrel with me. They blame me. And when you go live video, you don't feel go talk for Grace live video. Now I just waiting one cut off my live video again later. I don't understand. You got the quarrel. I say pressure before me go that live video. Me not tell you pressure. They you tell me now. I tell you. Pressure not talk anything. I say pressure. Why you come quiet? You not tell say I want go live video. You tell me now. But now you say you want go live now. You say you want to go cheat. Not tell me say you want go do. You want go to talk. Now I say not you tell me say maybe go talk to we yeke. When I come tell say okay I will go. Now I don't go the live video. Go talk to yeke. Now you talk say me not tell say I want go talk to people. Later say I want go live video. Now I say really? He say yes. Now I say okay no wahala. Everywhere good. I not talk anything. I did the live video. I come see how this girl say. May I play the record? She say do what you want. So that I may go tell Queen Love. And the dog call Queen Love will may tell her say, me don't play the record when we don't talk say we'll play the next day. You understand? She say do what you want. She not come tell me as a good friend, my normal friend. If she see say you know the snitch on me, say, me please don't play. You remember what you said on phone? No. He said do what you want. But me that I didn't know say she they set trap. Wait for me. Me not come play the record. That day when I did my live video. I can't pause. I not come play. After they come tell me I had my live video, she can't come my WhatsApp. They call they follow me the call why me host my whole live video for my whole problem. As they follow me call and finish, I come with the beg for call.
It is well.
As I beg, girl time I follow and talk. She dey like that. No, you just they talk like say that you get my life. Now you they suffer for me. Now you my phone. Now you when my phone spoil that they cool of how much